Thank you for watching our advanced examination modules. During the exam, choose the best possible answer. If you don't know the answer, skip and come back later. Complete the answers based on what you know first. Create 2 lists on scrap paper labeled uncertain and don't know. Read over your answers at the end of the exam and answer every question. Stuck? Put exam answers instead of questions in Google search. Try using multiple computer monitors. Use the full examination time to your advantage and leave enough time to review your answers and imagine success.
We have now completed modules 1 through 8. As a part of this bonus module, as an advisory, we have practice exams with sign up to Drone Center. See our link below in our description to find out how to do so today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.